So if you've never tasted peppered gizzard before, then be prepared to be convinced by its deliciousness. It's a snack that will make you a believer, so stay tuned for more. Thank you. So I'll start by adding lemon and lime to the gizzard. You know gizzard has that foul smell, so I added 2 tablespoons of vinegar to water and I soaked it in for like 10 minutes. Yeah, so I'll allow this to sit for like extra 5 minutes and I'll wash it off camera. After washing, I'll add it to a pot and I'll add 1 tablespoon of hot pepper because I want it extra spicy, and I'll add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic mix and add my preferred seasoning. So I'll proceed and add just a little amount of water. You don't need too much water when cooking this. So I'll mix everything up and I'll cook till it's soft and tender. So in a food processor, I'll add some pepper, red and green bell pepper, onion, scallions, and some finger chillies and rosemary, and I'll blend. So the gizzard is perfectly cooked, as you can see. It's been on fire for roughly 30 minutes. Yeah, so to a pan I'll add some oil and I'll fry the gizzard till it's golden brown. If you fry the gizzard for that long, it becomes very hard. So once it starts turning golden brown, I will just remove it because I want it very soft. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. So as you can see, I've strained the oil and I added some diced onion, yeah, and I added my blended pepper mix. So I'll stir for a while and I'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic mix and 1 teaspoon of my preferred seasoning, yeah, and I'll stir. Afterwards, I'll add my red and green bell peppers, some onions, and I'll quickly add the fried gizzard because I don't want to lose the crunchiness in the veggies. Afterwards, I'll add some scallions and I'll allow it to simmer just for a minute and we're done. Just let me know in the comment section what you'll be pairing this with. If you've watched to the very end, thank you so much. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.